Hello again, everybody. I'm out here at the truck. See, I got this. This is the one that they had, from the dealership when I bought the truck. I mean, it's really screwed up. I mean, like I'm in the truck and it doesn't pick up the thing. But Amazon, I think it was like $15 or something like that. Two pack. I mean, two pack. All you gotta do, put your key in and go on, off, on, off. Like, do it 8 times. Eighth time you land on it, your locks will go doot doot and do the whatever business thing, and like it tells you what's going on. You push your button, it does the thing. Go to the other one, push the button, does its thing. It sets these codes to the truck, and boom. Now I've got extras, and these guys, they're same thing as the thing, the original. It's just not labeled Ford on the back. But the trick is, I mean, it's interesting. AutoZone says they don't do them anymore because it was just too much of a hassle or whatever. Walmart does them. For these guys, they're like $50. AutoZone or Ace Hardware, they were like $54, but that's just for the piece. It's not for the coating. Then the chipped key, this guy. Ace Hardware, $75. Walmart, $50. I'm going to Walmart next payday and getting another key made. But Amazon, 2-pack. You can get these things in 4-packs and like 8-packs. I don't know why you'd need that many, but I just wanted, spare set or a spare just in case, like, oh, I locked my keys in the car. Call somebody up and have them push the unlock button through the phone, and it should, the signal should go through. But Amazon, $15. It literally took me 30 seconds to do this. But got new key fobs for the truck. Truck is doing absolutely fantastic. I mean, it's unbelievable how good this thing is doing. And they said that this was mechanic special, doesn't run, doesn't do this, doesn't do that. I mean, hell, I haven't had one issue with it. I've taken it on the highway. I've put like 250 miles on it already, and nothing, no issues, no rattles, no nothing. All that I have is that one knock, and I'm going to be taking it to the dealership to have them look at it and fix it. Like I said, I already did the electronics there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to have them do my brakes and do that sensor swap, and boom, I'm good. Other than that, I'm going to throw like $1,000 worth of rubber underneath this bitch and call her good. I love that. I love having keys that actually work. I love that. But I'll talk to you guys later.